Our project is a plant health monitor and care assistant. My name is Amelia.
And my name's Brooke.
The rationale behind our project is that plant neglect is a common issue among communities due to lack of time or availability to check on plant health for the general public, as well as physical or mental disability that impacts the ease of plant care for specific individuals. Water waste is also a growing problem around the globe due to an increase in climate change. Continuously monitoring moisture content of soil could reduce water overconsumption and therefore negate water waste. The intended users of our project are people who want less responsibility of care for their plants, reminders to take action to keep their plant healthy, as well as a simple way to be environmentally conscious. Furthermore, future development could allow for our project to be integrated large scale at the recreational or industrial level for gardens or industrial farms. Our users will require our project to be continuously monitoring without user interference, be a self-sustaining system, power efficient, alert the user when action needs to be taken, and be conscious of water consumption.
For our desired outcomes, we plan on designing and building our own moisture sensor. We will take voltage readings and then we'll be able to determine the value based on those. This data will be sent to a microcontroller for further processing. We plan on creating a user interface system for a custom user input. This will allow for variation for plant species based on the amount of moisture needed for each one. We also want to construct a plant health display, which will be seen through an LED alert system, which will use the threshold values from the microcontroller gathered from the moisture sensor. Some risks we may face are faulty sensors, in which case we will have multiple backups, do a lot of calibration, and use them in varying testing methods to make sure they work accordingly. There's also potential for depleting energy source. We plan on using a recharging battery so that we always have an energy source and that it can never get down to zero. If we are able to successfully integrate a solar panel, we will have to implement voltage and switching regulators to make sure the voltage is consistent as well. There's also potential for water damage and erosion, so it'll be important to make sure that our device is always clean and that we are able to use a water-resistant container to make sure everything can stay dry and work well.